Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video from M5Stack. Today we'll introduce how to use the unit stecp16 rotary encoder control module. The unit stecp16 is a 16-bit rotary encoder module based on the STM32G031G8U6, supporting BCD encoding acquisition and OF digital tube display. It's ideal for high-precision input scenarios like industrial control and human-machine interaction. First, access the UI flow to official website through your browser. Click on Unit in the function expansion area. Search for and select stecp16, then choose an appropriate serial port. Next, we'll demonstrate using the unit stecp16 through a case study to achieve simple encoder control. Here we set the LED light to automatically enter sleep mode after 5 seconds by default.